Hey guys, what's happening? How to use a generative AI for free. Specifically, we're going to talk about VEED.io. Looking for an easy to use online video editor that doesn't require expensive software? VEED.io is a cloud-based video editing tool designed for content creators, marketers, and businesses. But is it worth using? Let's break it down. What is VEED.io? VEED.io is an all-in-one online video editing platform that lets you create, edit, and enhance videos right from your browser. No downloads or complex software needed. It's perfect for making social media content, promotional videos, presentations, and more, right? They have the AI-powered auto subtitles, generates accurate captions for videos in multiple languages. They have also text-to-speech, right? Or text-to-a-video, right? And AI voiceovers convert written text into realistic AI-generated voice narration, right? And they have also the background removal, right? Removes background without a green screen. They have also one-click video enhancement, adjusts brightness, contrast, and color automatically, right? You can see right here the AI edits that you can use, right? That remove background, as we mentioned, generate subtitles, and also the one-click video enhancement. They have also template in stock library. Access really made templates and royalty free assets. You can find it right here, the template, right? And they have the screen and webcam recorder, which is ideal for tutorials, presentations, and reaction videos. And they also provide team collaboration, work on a video projects with team members in real time. So we're gonna use one of their free features, right? And we're gonna I'm gonna use the text to a video, right? And what kind of video do you want to create? Social media, generative, business training, or other? So I'm gonna stick to social media, and I'm gonna say, for example, Game of Thrones, right? It could be anything, right? You can write down your script, but in my case, I'm gonna use something shorter, right? Or you could just select right here viral TikTok videos, product demo video, or history of Rome, and then hit generate video, right? And also select the size if you want it to be portrait, landscape for YouTube, and select the subtitle style, right? And then hit continue. Right? And you're gonna see right here, in the world of Westeros, power is the ultimate game, and everyone plays to win. The Iron Throne, forged from the sword of vanquished foes, symbolizes not just authority but the brutal cost of ambition. From cunning Lannister, who waves webs of deceit, to the Stark family, and basically to the end of this script. And then hit continue. And you're gonna wait simply for a few moments until they generate that video, right? So the pros and cons: they are user friendly, no editing experience needed, and they use AI powered tools, save time on subtitles, voiceovers, and background removal. Works in the cloud, no need for powerful hardware, right, or drive. And free versions has watermarks and limited export quality. So if you need to actually remove the watermark, you need to upgrade. And advanced editing features are locked behind paid plans, right? So VEED.io is a powerful and beginner-friendly online video editor packed with AI-driven features to simplify the editing process. Whether you are YouTuber, business owner, or even social media creator, it's a great tool for producing professional quality videos without complex software. Want to try it? Head over to VEED.io and start creating today. So as you can see right here, they're just making the final touches, right? And we're gonna see the final result, and we can just take a quick look of that final result, right? We don't need to do anything else. If you want to add like stock footage, they also have the library from the video editing workshop, so you can add more stock videos or stock footage, excuse me. After you wait for a few moments, they will take you to the video editing workshop, and from there you're gonna be able to see the final or the new video. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.